Can you tell me about your truck?
Sure. It's a pretty big truck, a Toyota Tundra, and it's actually my second Tundra. I've never driven anything except a truck. I love driving it around. I love helping people move stuff to an extent. Like the fact that I can just, throw whatever in the back of my truck and haul it. Like that gives me this really good feeling. And I am always a little conscious about when I drive up in a truck and when a guy might drive up like in a smaller truck or in a little car or something, and I'm just like, oh man, I wonder how that makes him feel. But
how does it make you feel?
It makes me feel good. A little empowered.
So you said your truck was really reliable.
Yes.
Is there a time you can remember when you had to have it repaired?
Yes. So my old truck, at one point, I took it in just for a regular oil change, and they told me that I needed new tires. Actually, I think it was that I actually had a nail in my tire, and they said, oh well, you actually the tread on your tires are really low, and so of course I'm not going to argue with that. It sounded valid, and I didn't want to look dumb. So, and then of course they tell me, well, they try to sell you on the really nice tires, which is fine because I want the best for my truck, and I don't, I have to trust. I have no other choice in terms of what they're trying to sell me. Yeah, it was a little like, oh man, seriously, I thought I was going to have to pay like $40, not $600 or however much I ended up paying. But I'm always, I always try to be really careful and do everything that I need to do for my truck, because I don't want to be stranded, because I have been stranded before. And so I just figured, well, I need to get this fixed. So the other thing about me is that I'm a mechanical engineer, and it felt really funny that, here I'm this mechanical engineer from Stanford University, and I should be able to, speak, the car speak and understand like what they were doing and the repairs needed and everything. And so I'm not very good at questioning what they say is wrong with it, just because I don't want to look dumb or sound dumb. So I'm always just afraid that anything that I say will actually let them know that no, I don't know everything about vehicles and mechanical systems. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I had this feeling that, the guy is like, okay, when are you gonna call daddy to get you out of this one? Just because here I am, walking in, young kid with this really nice truck. And so I wanted like this feeling of independence that no, I can deal with the situation, I can pay for it, I can, figure out what I need to do and just do it. I find it not fun to get my truck fixed, although I'm really interested in it. Like I wish they would let me, go into the bay and actually explain step by step what they were doing so I could learn more. But at the same time, I feel like I have to put on this show or this front that routine, I know what they're talking about.